Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use Flair in Reddit. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open the Reddit. It is available in both Apple Store as well as the Play Store. And when you are inside the Reddit, just look at the bottom of the screen. There is a navigation bar and in the middle there is an plus sign that says create. You just have to click on the plus sign and you will be able to create a post. You just have to add a title and you need to add a body. After that you need to press on the next button that is on the top right corner. Just click on the next button. After that you just need to select a community, and when you have selected a community there will be an option just below the title to add tags and Flair. That is optional. You can just click on that and you just need to turn on the spoiler and brand affiliate if you want to, and you can just apply it. And as you can see, just below the name Donderwith link there is an spoiler and brand affiliate text that is appeared, that is Flair. So this is how you can use Flair in Reddit. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.